Namaskara, mabuhay. Kamusta kami dito sa New Zealand? I arrived here in 2024. Ako ang unang dumating, and by God's grace, nakuha ko ang aking mag-ama last year. Now, finally, buo na kami dito. Life here is simple. Isa sa pinaka-na-appreciate ko talaga is the work-life balance. Dito, normal ang 5 days a week na work, 8 hours a day. After work, may time ka pa for yourself and for your family. Hindi tulad ng minsan sa atin na parang work na lang palagi. Weekends are for household chores, landing and cooking. Noong mag-isa pa lang ako dito, I used to cook pagkain na good for 1 week para tipid sa oras at kuryente. But now that my husband and son are here, we cook every day na. Mas gusto namin fresh ang food, especially for Eshan. Dito, walang kasambahay. Everything kami ang gumagawa. Work, cleaning the house, laundry, cooking, and taking care of our child. At first, sobrang hirap. Nakakapagod physically and emotionally. You really have to do everything on your own. But habang tumatagal, we learn to appreciate it. Mas naging independent kami. Mas naging hands-on kami as parents. Natutunan namin na kaya pala namin gawin lahat for our family. Sa Pilipinas kasi, we are blessed to have helping hands, family, relatives, and friends. May masasandalan ka anytime. But here, malayo sa pamilya. Friends are there, yes, but we cannot depend on them all the time because everyone has their own responsibilities and struggles too. The reality of living abroad is not always easy. It's not always glamorous like what people see on social media. May lungkot especially when you miss your family back home. May pagod, may sacrifices. But at the same time, there is growth, there is peace, and there is fulfillment when you see your family together, building a life step by step. Living abroad taught us to be strong, to be responsible, and to value family even more. Because at the end of the day, kayo-kayo lang talaga ang magkakasama. Life here may be simple, but it's meaningful. Hindi man madali, pero para sa pamilya kakayanin. Thank you for watching. Bye!